All right, welcome to another forex section. Um, let's look at the market briefly and see what we can actually do when the market fully open. That's Tuesday, 7th July. Let's see, let's get a trading setup. Now, what should we be expecting the market to do when the market open? Remember, always trap the price between support and resistance, either vertically or horizontally. And let's see if we can get a vertical uh, support and resistance. Okay, I think this can do. Now let's get the resistance. Now the reason why you should do this is so that you can avoid taking a buy trade close to the resistance. Now, this is not too accurate, but I think it will do. Let's just leave it like this. Now, what should you be expecting by tomorrow, or let's say a few hours from now when the market open? Don't really like this trend line. Let's take it off. Okay. So what I will be expecting this market to do, this is my setup for tomorrow. I will expect some level of retracement down to around this level. Then I'll look for buying opportunity. So that's what I will do with this pair. When it opens, I will just watch the market come back to somewhere around this level, then look for a bullish engulfing candle to confirm the retracement. So I'll be looking for a buying opportunity around these levels. Yeah, if I see engulfing candle around this level, I'll be taking a buy trade. Okay, but if that didn't play out, I have no business with this pair. Always stick with your trading setup, stick with your plan, stick with your plan. If the market did not play out your plan, you don't have to you don't have to run after the market. Okay. Now this is what I'll be expecting the market to do tomorrow. Now, of course, this market can decide to just trend to the upside, but even if the market decide to trend to the upside without retracement, still stay away from the market. If it does not play out this, or if the market decide to break into this level retracement, then target the next area. So that's my setup for GBPUSD. Now let's look at EURUSD. Now, if you look at EURUSD, uh, the market is not really doing much. Okay, okay. Now let's see what we can do with this pair. I think I can see some level of, can see some price action movement. I can see some patterns playing out. So what should I be expecting if this market break from this level to the upside? I don't have business with this trade. But what should I be expecting? I should be expecting to take a trade when this uh, resistance is taken off. Okay? When it's taken off. So what I'll be expecting, a break, retest, then target the next zone. Always target the next zone. It gives you a good risk reward trade. Target the next zone. Sometimes it might take you 2, 3 days for the market to get there, but the market always get to the next zone. Okay, be it the one in top or the one behind, the market always gets to the next zone. Okay, so this is my setup for um Euro USD. If I see the market break to the downside retest, I can consider taking a sell trade, but this is what I'll be watching, waiting for the market to do a break of this trend line, even though I don't really like this price action. It's really somehow, but a break of this structure, a proper retracement, I'll be taking a buy trade. So that is my setup for Euro USD for the 7th day of July. Okay, so now the market can do a deeper retracement to this level. Yeah, that's a possibility. So you can look for a buying opportunity around this level and around this level and selling opportunity around this level. Okay, so let's look at AUDUSD. What can we do? Remember one of our rule: if the market is far from the structure, then then that trade I won't consider taking that trade for that day. Okay, if you look at this pair very well, you can see some level of retracement, and the market might decide to continue to the downside, or this might be a reversal. But even if this is a reversal, I wish we can see it being played out. It's playing out. This is higher low being formed. So that's to tell you that the market have reversed. But you just can't start trading because the market have reversed. Okay. So what will I be expecting this market to do? I'll be expecting this market to give me some level of retracement. Some level of retracement to around this area. Then I can look for engulfing candle to confirm the movement. Then I can take a trade. So now this is you should be looking for a buying opportunity around this level, but there's every tendency that this market will also go break to the downside. I'll show you why. Now this is downward trend, upward consolidation. Most of the time this is a reversal pattern. It's a reversal pattern. So if the market decide to obey this pattern, then I should be looking for a short trade around this level. Should be looking for a short trade around this level. Okay, remember, don't always see the market in just a direction. See the market in various direction so that you can follow the price. Okay, so this is my setup for uh, AUD USD for the 7th day of July. So that is it. Okay, so that's it for this video. Okay, please just do well to subscribe to this channel and always do your own analysis. This video is mainly for educational purpose, and I want you to click the notification bell and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on our daily analysis. Shalom.